What's up, everyone? It's Planet SciHacks, and we're diving deep into the world of cybersecurity training. But hold on, no credit card required. That's right. We're talking completely free resources, whether you're just starting out or you're already knee-deep in firewalls and encryption. Trust me, there's something here for you. We're talking interactive labs where you can get your hands dirty, online courses to level up your knowledge, certifications to boost that resume, CTF challenges to put your skills to the test, news sources to stay ahead of the game, and even some seriously insightful books, all without spending a dime. So, if you're ready to unlock a world of cybersecurity knowledge without emptying your wallet, you're in the right place. Let's break down each of these resources, see what makes them tick, and how they can help you on your cybersecurity journey. This is your chance to get that premium top-tier cybersecurity education without the premium price tag. You ready? Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with interactive labs. We're talking about platforms like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, Over the Wire, Pentester Lab, and Immersive Labs. These are your digital playgrounds to practice real-world cybersecurity scenarios. Seriously, these platforms are like stepping into a virtual hacking arena. Think of it like this. You wouldn't expect to learn basketball just by reading about it, right? You got to get on the court, shoot some hoops, maybe get dunked on a few times. That's what these labs are all about. You'll face off against simulated attacks, vulnerabilities, and real-world scenarios. They offer different levels of difficulty, so whether you're a total newbie or a seasoned pro, you can find challenges tailored to your skill set. The best part? You get instant feedback on your performance. You try something, you see the results, you learn, you adjust, and you get better. Each successful hack, each vulnerability you uncover, it all adds up. You're building that practical, hands-on experience that employers drool over. Next up, let's talk about online courses. Now, I know what you're thinking. Free online courses, can they really be any good? Trust me, with platforms like Cybrary, Cisco Networking Academy, Google Cybersecurity Certificate, Harvard's CS50X, and Open Security Training 2, you're getting access to some seriously legit cybersecurity education. We're talking about a massive range of topics here, from the fundamentals of networking and security protocols to advanced penetration testing, ethical hacking, and incident response. Whether you prefer to learn at your own pace or thrive in a structured environment, there's a course out there for you. And hey, let's not forget about the value these courses bring. They can help you grasp complex concepts, introduce you to industry-standard tools and techniques, and even prepare you for those all-important certifications. It's like having a cybersecurity mentor right at your fingertips, guiding you through each step of the way. Speaking of certifications, let's dive into how you can snag some valuable credentials without breaking the bank. Trust me, certifications are like gold in the cybersecurity world. They demonstrate your skills, knowledge, and dedication to potential employers. Think of them as your cybersecurity street cred. Now, I know what you're thinking. Certifications are expensive, right? Well, not always. Platforms like Microsoft Learn Security Path, Fortinet NSE training, Google's Security and Awareness courses, and the IBM Cybersecurity Analyst Certificate offer free training paths and resources to help you prepare for their respective certifications. These certifications cover a wide range of domains within cybersecurity, from cloud security and network defense to ethical hacking and security analysis. And the best part? Earning these certifications can significantly boost your career prospects, opening doors to new opportunities and higher earning potential. All right, let's talk about Capture the Flag, or CTF, challenges. These are competitions designed to test your cybersecurity skills in a fun, competitive environment. Think of it like esports for hackers, but instead of frags, you're racking up flags. Digital flags that represent solved challenges. Platforms like CTF Time, PicoCF, and RootMe host a wide variety of CTF challenges, from beginner-friendly to mind-bendingly difficult. You'll encounter challenges related to cryptography, web exploitation, reverse engineering, forensics, you name it, they've got it. But here's the thing about CTFs. They're not just about winning. They're about pushing your boundaries, learning new skills, and collaborating with others. It's a chance to apply what you've learned in those online courses and labs, to think outside the box. and to develop that critical problem-solving mindset that's essential in cybersecurity. Now let's talk about staying ahead of the curve in the ever-evolving world of cybersecurity. The threat landscape is constantly changing, with new vulnerabilities, exploits, and attack vectors emerging all the time. That's why it's crucial to stay informed about the latest trends, threats, and best practices. Think of it like keeping your cybersecurity software updated. You've got to stay current. Thankfully, there are tons of free resources to help you stay in the loop. Websites like the Hacker News and Dark Reading offer in-depth coverage of the latest cybersecurity news, breaches, and vulnerabilities. Reddit communities like r/NetSec and r/Cybersecurity are buzzing with discussions, insights, and shared experiences from cybersecurity professionals and enthusiasts around the world. And then there's the SANS Internet Storm Center, a goldmine of threat intelligence, analysis, and security advisories. By tapping into these resources, you'll gain valuable insights into the latest attack techniques, emerging threats, and proactive measures you can take to strengthen your defenses. Finally, let's talk about books. Yes, even in the digital age, books still hold immense value. And the best part, you don't need to spend a fortune to access some of the most insightful and comprehensive cybersecurity books out there. We're talking about free and open source books that are packed with knowledge. Take the web application Hacker's Handbook, for instance. So it's a classic in the web security world, and it's available for free online. Then there's the Red Team Field Manual, RTFM, and the Blue Team Handbook, Essential Guides for Penetration Testers and Security Defenders, respectively. And let's not forget about Metasploit, the Penetration Tester's Guide, which delves into the world of penetration testing using the powerful Metasploit framework. These books provide in-depth knowledge, practical examples, and real-world case studies that you can apply to your own cybersecurity journey. They're perfect for those who want to dive deep into specific topics, understand the nuances of different security domains, and develop a solid theoretical foundation. So there you have it, a breakdown of some of the best free resources for cybersecurity training, from interactive labs and online courses to certifications, CTF challenges, news sources, and books. You've got a treasure trove of knowledge at your fingertips, and it's all ready to be unlocked. Remember, the cybersecurity landscape is constantly evolving. The key is to never stop learning, experimenting, and challenging yourself. Whether you're pursuing a career in cybersecurity or simply want to bolster your own digital defenses, these resources will equip you with the knowledge and skills you need to thrive. So what are you waiting for? Dive into these resources, start exploring, and embark on your cybersecurity journey today. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more awesome cybersecurity content. Until next time, stay curious, stay safe, and keep on learning. Peace out.